Morning, afternoon, evening people, welcome back to the channel. It's your first time here. I'm Tony, this is Teddy. We're over at the allotment on a nice warm day, planting squash today. That issue I had last year, I planted about 20 squash out and all of them got destroyed by slugs and snails, all of them. In the end I ended up planting some more and a couple of plants did survive, but I found I had to get them quite substantial for them to survive the slugs. So what I decided to do is I've got 2 pallet collar raised beds over there. I'm going to plant 4 of the more substantial squash out today. I'm going to protect them with some netting. So I had this idea. So first things first, let me show you where all the squash is going. Okay, I've got about 17 or 18 squash plants on the go. Those are the 4 biggest ones. They need to go out, they're outgrowing those pots. Now the other ones, I'm going to pot them on and get them a bit more substantial first. But basically, I'm going to plant those 4 in that bed there. As you can see, it's ridden with ants, an ant's nest. But hey ho. The rest of my squash are going in this bed and this long bed here when they're a bit bigger. I'll probably plant another 4 in there and net that as well, maybe tomorrow. But for now, 4 squash going in there. I'm going to try and protect them with netting. See around the edges here, there's some gaps where slugs or snails could get in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some wood chip. I'm just going to kind of plug them gaps. Stop any nasties getting in. Okay, this edge is already covered by the wood chip. Now this bed was dressed with well rotted cow manure last year, so there should be plenty of nutrition in the soil. However, I have got chicken manure pellets. I'm going to plant them nice and deep. What I actually meant to do is put chicken manure pellets in the hole, but I didn't with that one. Anyway, this one we will. And put chicken manure pellets in there. Get them in nice and firm. I think this bed should be just about okay for 4 plants. And this soil is actually quite moist, which is good. It's not bone dry. I can see a good bit of worm activity as well, which is always good. I am going to give them water. I'm only going to net them temporarily until they're substantial enough that their slugs aren't a threat to them anymore. So what I'm going to do is knock 4 posted in the corner, in each corner. Oh. I've got some netting, I've got some bungees. Now I'm not going to cut the net in size, it's just a temporary measure. This net is quite stretchy, so stretch it over. Then what we're going to do is we're going to bungee it in place. It was a bit fiddly, it's out of space that I've got, but the netting's bungeed and we have got 4 squash hopefully protected nicely in there. I'm running a bit short on time today. I was going to plant the other four in there as well, net that. But I'll probably come back and do that tomorrow. So I'm a bit short on time, so it's a quick video there to show you how I'm trying to protect these squash. I'll give you an update later in the season, how they're getting on, and when I plant the rest out too. So if you do want to see that, do hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, thanks for watching, have a good day.